And this is the presentation for Group F for the University's Challenge 2023. Our topic is natural and fast healing of wounds using heat therapy. It's for short wave diathermy application. In developed countries, 50% of patients admitted to the hospitals have wounds, while 1% to 2% of the general population suffers from chronic wounds which fail to repair themselves within 30 days. Medicare and infection management costs of chronic wounds ranging from $28.1 to $98.6 billion in US. Advanced wound care cost is likely to reach $15 to $22 billion only for surgical and chronic users' wounds. This is due to the changing human immunity, environment, and diet leading to delayed wound healing. Methods like nanotherapy, stem cell therapy, bioengineered skin grafts, wound dressing, antibacterial ointment, and shockwave therapy injections. However, these are expensive, not available, invasive, and not easy to use, contribute to swelling and inflammation. Person delayed healing process takes long. Also, most heating techniques, like use of diathermy, have controlled heat generation, hence can be used on unconscious children, mentally ill, and paralyzed patients. Most of these technologies are applicable on wounds on skin and those that don't exceed 2 inches, while others are invasive. This is a need for development of an affordable, easy-to-use, and non-invasive technique of wound treatment. It is now known whether use of gel and heat will accelerate faster healing of wounds, but due to treatment properties of ghee and heat in local treatment of wound can facilitate non-invasive, natural, and faster wound healing. This promotes to have advanced the use of heat therapy by using a special gel made out of ghee due to its special and ancestral benefits to the body, and heat to drive heat into deeper areas of the injured body.
So the innovation, how it was developed, diathermy comes from, diathermy basically means heating. Dia and thermy means heating. So diathermy meaning through heating is a technology employed in this project. So this is a type of heat treatment that uses high-frequency electric currents to heat tissues. It can be used to treat deep wounds and help to reduce pain and inflammation. So our project utilizes short wave diathermy with current frequency of 27.12 MHz and wavelength of 11 meters, applied for 20 minutes, tolerable dose. So the novelty, the project combines use of gels and heat treatments to treat deep wounds. So this combination of treatments has not been widely used before, so it is a novel approach to treating deep wounds. So the significance, to provide a more effective and efficient way to treat deep wounds, combining the use of gels and heat treatments. It could reduce the amount of time and resources needed to treat deep wounds.
Our prototype will consist of a temperature sensor and 2 temperature sensors, one to monitor the temperature of the heater and another one to monitor the temperature of the patient. So here we need to prevent burning of the skin, which is not being looked at by using shortwave diathermies. It has been a gap, so want to use the temperature sensor so that we can monitor the temperature of the tissues to prevent burnings, and also be able to apply this technology to treat wounds on unconscious patients, children, people with mental illnesses, people with inflammations who cannot feel the heat sometimes. So we want to regulate heat by using temperature sensors, one attached to the tissue and another one to monitor the temperature of the heater.
Yeah, this is basically how we designed our temperature sensor. So as you can see, we have the temperature sensor Let me hide this. Yeah, we have a temperature sensor that is connected to the heat source. For our case, it is a short wave diathermy device. That's our potentiometer, our LCD, and Arduino board. That's the LED bulbs, red and green. So we typed this code identifying the difference to which our components are connected as the parameters within which our temperature sensor will operate. Like for example, from 25 to 45, it will be green, the indicator will be green, showing that the temperature is normal, and 45 and above to indicate green, and it will be warning that the temperature has exceeded the rated. So we've done this in order not to hurt the patients. So we can adjust the potentiometer due to high resistance in order to indicate the current temperature, which is now 19.93 degrees Celsius, which is all programmed in the code. So we can adjust the temperature. As you can see, more than 25, the green is on, and below 25 it will be off, and beyond 45 our LED bulb will be indicating plus the visor. So that's basically how it should operate. The heat sensor the temperature sensor is connected to the plates, which is or to the core that is attached to the patient who is receiving this treatment shortwave diathermy. So we monitor that temperature, and it is only applied for 20 minutes. Beyond that, it will be damaged also. So we keep monitoring the temperature using our temperature sensor that we've designed. Thank you.
Yeah, we are comparing the use of ghee and heat to treat wounds with the already existing, or maybe the alternative methods of wound healing. So look at the technology. It's non-invasive. It's special. You can control its heat using the sensors, like it's already mentioned in the design, and then it uses heat, of course. Then it's also using gel in terms of ghee. Ghee is a gel that we are using, and we are using rechargeable batteries instead of AC. Then for its usability, there are no skills that are needed. We don't need so much skill for us to apply it. Then it keeps the wound moist as we are using ghee. Then we apply it to wounds. You can use it for deeper wounds compared to the 2-inch that the diathermy was using, since we are using ghee that is transporting the heat, or maybe transferring the heat to the deeper layers of the wound, and it allows for faster healing compared to many others, such as the wound dressing and maybe, let's say, the antibacterial ointments. And it's also there is no overheating of the tissues because you're controlling the heat anyway, and it's cheaper in terms of costs. It can be used. We can access its resources locally, such as ghee is locally produced in Uganda, in particular, since we are looking at Uganda as our case study, and it's of course more safer. We are using natural wound healing, so it's much safer compared to those other ones.
About our business model canvas, I am Emmanuel. So the business model for this project involves charging a smaller fee for the treatment of deep wounds using the gel and heat treatments, which can be done on a per treatment basis, or on a subscription-based model, because we want the treatment that has been there to be looked at as expensive compared to ours. So The project would also involve selling the gels and heat treatments to medical professionals or providing training and consulting services to related treatments. For example, these hospitals or emergency clinics, we would sell our project, our device to them, and actually they are one of our good markets. And also the project will involve partnering with medical professionals to provide treatments, providing treatments as part of large package of our services. Thank you so much.
The team members and expertise needed will depend more on the scope of the project. But according to this project, we shall need the knowledge of biomedical engineers because they combine both medical knowledge and engineering knowledge. So we shall need, they will be of great influence, and plus any experts from chemistry, physics maybe. Yeah, but generally we shall also need such individuals that are expertise in management, research, data analysis, marketing and business, generally for the development and success of our project.
Yeah, and here are the references we use in this project. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you very much.